guys, durian. Sabun durian. Hey guys, annyeonghaseyo. It's Dewi Menenda. Welcome back to my channel if this is your first time. Today, I have a very long overdue PR package that I received. Ta-da! It's from Wunderbath. It's actually the Raya PR package, but I think I received it in the last week of Ramadan, so I tak sempat nak buka. The whole month of Raya, I memang tak buat content at all. So today we're gonna unbox this PR package together. So first thing first, sampai-sampai I memang dah bau pandan, sangat wangi. So we're gonna see what's inside. There's me on the package. They printed a photo of me. That's so cute. I'm just gonna pull the bow off. I hope it doesn't unravel. There's a wishing card with the kuih. Apa ni? Kuih semprit. Kuih dahlia, right? So cute. Let's start with the one with my picture on it. So it says here, open for instant joy. And we're gonna open in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Ni kuih apa ni? Kuih rose kuih bunga rose. It looks so realistic. There's a ketupat. Kuih ni, kuih lapis pink, ketupat, kuih rose tu. And this one is kuih ketayap. And that one tadi tu yang kuih semprit, kuih dahlia I cakap tadi tu. Pull out your card surprise. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's a thank you card. Bringing you the best kuih soap from Wunderbath. 0 calories, 100% cuteness. So these are soap. Sayang ni nak pakai sabun. Oh my god, I nak pakai ni. This one used to be my favorite kuih. This one too. And this one too. We're gonna try to take one out. Handmade soap. It looks so real. There's a note saying do not eat, okay? You might be tempted to eat. Wangi, bau pandan dan gula. This is so cute. So tiny. Oh, ni bau dia lain. Then there's the ketupat. And the last one is the kuih lapis pink. Ni bau rose pandan. It doesn't say the scent here. It's sulfate and paraben free, it's vegan, and it's suitable for sensitive skin. Oh, it's actually a Raya card. I haven't received a card Raya for the longest time. So next we're gonna open this small basket. It says a kuih muih soap. More. This smells so good. What kuih is this? I think this is like the bingkang or something, right? I think this is kuih bingkang ubi or something like that. Oh, you even get the like the corner side. This one is so cute. I saw it from the hamper. It's satay. Satay, guys. Satay. It's satay and lemang. There's a piece of lemang here. And let me try to open it and show you the satay. I'm really struggling right now. Yes. Satay. Oh, smells like serai. This is lemongrass. Smells like serai. I'm pretty good with my nose apparently. And then there's a piece of lemon. This smells like coconut milk. Okay, last but not least is the biggest package. It says here local delights, kuih talam, cendol, ketupat. So we're gonna take off the bow and let's see what's inside. Ooh. I thought it was going to be kuih talam. Oh my god. It's durian, guys. Durian. Sabun durian. Is it gonna smell like durian? I don't think so. I hope not. Like, who wants to smell like durian? No, it doesn't smell like durian. Thank God. It just smells sweet. And siya ada dia punya pangsa ada pangsa. I thought it was banana, but it's actually durian. Okay, that was a plot twist. I really wasn't expecting it to be durian. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. It's so big. Anyway, thank you Wunderbath for the PR package. It was really fun unboxing them. Oh, now I have a whole lot of soap to use for the rest of the year. Okay, to be honest, I actually have another PR package from Wunderbath. I got it last year, but I never opened it, so my bad. So I think I'm gonna open that right after this. If you guys want to know what's in the other PR package, please send me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. I just realized I didn't show you the pangsa, so I'm gonna take it out. And one. Oh my god. It looks so real. That's an actual durian skin, you guys. Wunderbath really outdid themselves this time. I sumpah tak expect sebab dekat dia punya card luar ni tulis cendol dengan kuih talam. Like, you guys played me, guys. You guys played me.